through a lesson on the coordinate plane at the end. This is a review from last year. The coordinate plane is the grid, the two-dimensional grid that we use to graph points. Okay? Put this in your notes. This will be your notes on lesson 110. So, on the coordinate plane, there are two axes, two bold lines that we call the x-axis, which goes across. And you can remember that because the x kind of makes the cross, it goes across each other. So the x-axis goes across, and the y-axis goes up and down, and you can kind of remember the y-axis by the fact that the y has the up and down, a longer line that goes kind of up and down. So it's called the y-axis. And then pairs of numbers are called ordered pairs. The first number is always the x number, or the number that goes on the x, along the x-axis, how far to the right or left something is. And the y-axis is how far something is up and down. So you first go right or left according to the first number, and then you go up or down according to the second number. So if you're graphing a point like -2, -5, you would go 2 to the left, and then from there you go down 5 and mark the point, point A. And if you were graphing 4, 1, you'd go over to the right 4, and then up 1, and mark the point. In the coordinate plane, there's also 4 different quadrants, we call them. And they're labeled with Roman numerals. You have to use Roman numerals when you're labeling quadrants. And the quadrants are 1, which is always 2 positive numbers. 2, which is a negative and then a positive number. 3, which is a negative and a negative number. And then 4 is a positive and then a negative number. Okay? No, 5 is just V. IV is 4. Okay? So, to write down in your notes, here's what you need to write down. You need to draw the coordinate plane with the x and y axis. This point in the middle is called the origin. So, let's see. Let me simplify this for you. This point here is called the origin. This is the x and the y. Then also draw on your notes that left is negative and down is negative. Right is positive and up is positive. And then put the quadrant numbers in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you should write this procedure, how to graph points. Start at 0, count over to the right or left according to the x-coordinate, then count up or down according to the y-coordinate. And that's all you need to write down for your procedures, or for your notes, okay? Any questions on that coordinate plane or the notes you need to write down?